we will do the exercise problems from page number 49. See the first question. What is the sum of angles of a 52-sided polygon? So the sides are given. We have to find out the sum of angles. The number of sides is given. How much? N is equal to 52. Then we already studied the equation. The sum of angles of a polygon is how much? N minus 2 into 180. So substitute for n. So it is 52 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So that is 50 into 180 degree. 18 into 5 we have to multiply it. That is 90. Then 2 zeros we have to add it. 9000 degrees is the answer. Second question. The sum of the angles of a polygon is 8100. How many sides does it have? Here the sum of angles is given. We have to find out the sides. The previous one, the side is given and you have to find out the sum of angles. It is the reverse. Here the sum of angles of a polygon is 8100. And what is the equation of sum of angles? N minus 2 into 180 degree. That is the equation of sum of angles. And that value is given 8100. And from this n minus 2 we have to find out how will you find out n minus 2? 8100 divided by 180. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. It is 81 and 18. You can divide it with 9. So 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. So 90 by 2 will get. 90 by 2 is how much? 45. So value of n minus 2 is 45. N minus 2 is 45. So what is n? 45 plus 2. The answer is 47 sides. Okay, this is the way you have to find out. N minus 2 into 190 is 8100, and from that you have to find out n minus 2. You will get 45. N minus 2 is 45. N is equal to 45 plus 2, it is 47. Next question, page number 50. Third one is the sum of angles of any polygon is 1600. Sum of angle of any polygon is 1600. How about 9000? Actually 900. Two questions are there. First you have to find out the first one. You know the sum of angles of a polygon should be always the multiple of 180. That is n minus 2 into 180. We can write as 1600. What is n minus 2? 1600 by 180. If you divide this one, you will get a decimal. So you cannot completely divide this 1600 by 180. So we can write this one as it is not possible to get the sum of angle of polygon is 1600. The answer is one. The sum of angles of polygon should be a multiple of 180. Here it is not a multiple of 180. So divide it 160 by 18. This we can write as 80 here 9. So 80 by 9. The answer we are getting 8.8 something. Okay. So it is not a mere number. It is a decimal number. So it is not possible to get this answer. So remember this one. The sum of angles of polygon should be always the multiple of 180. See the second part. N minus 2 into 180 is 900. So n minus 2 is 900 by 180. 0 0 will be cancelled. 9 2s are 18. So 10 by 2 will get. Here 0 is there. So the answer is getting 5. So you are getting a correct number. So this is a multiple of 180. So write the answer. 900 is a multiple of 180. Therefore 900 can be the sum of the angles of a polygon. This is the answer. You are getting a mere number, that is 5. Correct number you are getting. So it is a multiple of 190. Fourth question. All the angles of a 20-sided polygon are the same. All angles of a 20-sided polygon are same. That means the angles are same. And how many sides? 20 sides. How much is each? How much is each angle? That you have to find out. What is the number of sides given? Number of sides given, that is n is equal to a 20 side, 20. Okay. Then the sum of angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Sum of angles of a polygon, n minus 2 into 180. And that answer is given how much? That you don't know, but n is given. N is equal to 20 minus 2 into 180. That is 18. 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 into 180. That you multiply. Square of 18 is 324. Then add 1 0. So we are getting the sum of angles as 3240. What is the question? They didn't ask how much is the total angle. They asked how much is each angle, and is already saying all angles are same. So you have to find out measure of each angle. Measure of each angle you have to find out. How much is the total sum of angle? 3240. How many sides? 20 sides. So you have to divide with the 20. 0 will be cancelled. 324 by 2. Take the half of this. So you will get 162 degree. So each angle is 162 degree. So sides are given 20, and it is saying that all angles are same. N minus 2 into 180 you have to find out by giving n. 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 into 180 you are getting 3240. And each angle you have to find out. We have 20 sides, so the sum should be divided by 20. You will get 162. The sum of angles of a polygon is 1980. What is the sum of the angles of a polygon with one side less? Total sum of angles is given, and it is given the question like this: if one side is less, what is the sum of angle? Next question: what about the polygon with one side more? So two questions is there. Sum of angle is given. If one side is less, what happen? If one side is more, what happen? That is the question. That is fifth question from page number 50. See this figure. This is the quadrilateral. How many sides it have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides are. How many triangles are there? 2 triangles. What is the sum of angle? 2 into 180, 360 are getting. So for quadrilateral, 4 sides and 2 triangles. See this pentagon. Here how many triangles are? 3 triangles are there. How many sides for a pentagon? 5 sides. Okay. For quadrilateral, it is 4 side and 2 triangles. For a pentagon, 5 side and 3 triangles. And see to our question. The sum of angle is 540. If one side is less, what happen? instead of pentagon we are getting a quadrilateral with 4 sides. So 540 become 360. How you got 360? 540 minus 180, you got 360. That means if one side is less, what happened? One triangle is less. So how much angle is reduced? An angle of 190 is reduced. Then see the question. So sum of angle is given 1980. Okay. And the first question, if the number which is that if one side is less, what happened to sum of angles? See this one. If the number of sides decreased by 1, then the sum of angles decreased by 180. So if one side is reduced, one triangle is reduced. That means the sum of angle is reduced by 180. So if one side is less, what happened to the sum of sides? You have to minimize 180 from 1980. See, so the sum of angles of a polygon with one side less is how much? 1980 minus 180. So 180 should be reduced. How much we will get? 1800 will get. Then see for the next question. So what about the side is increased? Once the side is increased, what happened? The angle is increased by 180 degree. So the sum of angles of a polygon with one side more is equal to 1980 plus 180. The answer you are getting is 2160 degrees. So if one side is reduced, 180 angle is reduced. If one side is increased, 180 angle is increased. So remember that one.